good. A good skipper rock, and show me how to skip rock. Yes, that's quartz. And finds lots of pretty rocks. All right, get a skipper and show me how you do it. Come over here to the end of the dock and you can show me how to do one. Over here. There's a spider. El Toro Loco. All right, El Toro Loco. Ready. He crashed. Mohawk. Oh, whoa. He won. Alien won.
Loco wins.
He won. Look at the baby. Hey, little baby.
I'll show Mommy how it is.
How to skip rocks? Show me how you do it. He's going to find a good skipper rock and show me how to skip rocks in the pond.
You like this rock?
Yes, that's quartz.
Yeah, look, she's got one. Look, she's got one.
So we have a collection of rocks at the house. We pretty much have a ton of gravel in our house because Cashin finds lots of pretty rocks. He loves rocks. All right. Whoa.
I'm not getting that dipper.
Why?
There's a spider.
There's a spider?
Yeah. Look at it. Come on.
All right, we're
Look
going to go
at me,
look at it.
Gary. You're in that open. You're going to be down. Buddy, go see it.
Let's see, where's the spider?
Right there.
I don't see it.
It's right there.
Oh, yeah, he looks crazy, don't he?
Yeah, I'm there. Mom.
I got you. See him right there?
Guys.
That's his home. Just don't mess with him. Come down here. And you gotta roll up. Let me see it. Show everybody what it is. Are those your favorite?
Yeah.
What kind is that one?
It's great.
Grape?
Yeah.
You love grape? How much?
Really much.
Really much.
Like this.
Like humongous? And I love chocolate, cocoa, almonds.
How much?
Humongous.
Show me.
That big.
I love this big.
Ooh, that's a bunch.
Got something.
You got something? Show me, show me. You caught a tree.
Pull it. Pull in the tree.
Woo. Throw it out there. Oh no. You gotta get it. Here, you got it. You got it.
It's cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Whoa, you skipped it. You didn't?
No, that's
There you
not
go.
a gipper.
Oh, what's a skipper?
It's like a rat.
A flat rock?
Yeah.
That's a skipper?
And I'm trying to find a wow rock.
Well, I hope you find a skipper because I really want to learn.
What did it look like?
Let me see. Close up. Oh, it looks like it's just a regular rock. I don't think there's anything in it. Oh.
Sounds cool right here.
Let me see.
Sound cool?
Yeah, that's quartz.
Of course.
There's lots of quartz around here. Spider-Man.
Hey, come on.
All right, put him down here. Let's see how fast he goes. Well, I gotta catch him so he doesn't get lost. I got him. Shh, he's still going. He's still going.